What is quite interesting that for the first time in Adriatic we have recorded the very large school of European barracuda, and also forming a circle shape, which is known somewhere else in the world, but so far has never been recorded or even seen in Adriatic. And for us, from behavior point of view, this is really quite interesting. Also, another data that we have heard about it is that these European barracudas, school of European barracudas, are staying for several days at the same place, which so far has not been the case, because usually they were just moving from one place to another. So obviously there is a reason why the school of barracuda is staying there for the whole time, and we can only predict that because the Bjelac, where this video was recorded, is a sort of a rock in the middle of nowhere, and it attracts also other species which are sort of a prey for European barracuda. So we can only predict that this is just because of preying on these species which are part of the diet of European barracuda.
Najzanimljivija stvar je ta što su se barakude na jednom mjestu na Lastovu, a to je konkretno hrid Bjelac, koja se nalazi 8 milja od glavnog kopna Lastova, udomaćilo se veliko jato barakuda, koje se tu prvi puta pojavilo prije 5 godina. Viđali smo barakude i prije na Lastovu, ali sporadično, na neodređenim lokacijama i u jako malim količinama. Međutim, prije 5 godina se je formiralo jedno stanište jato, malo veće barakuda na Bjelcu, konkretno na Siki od Bjelca, i to jato se tamo održava već tih spomenutih 5 godina i svake godine raste sve više i više, zdravo jato, danas je preko 100 komada sa primjercima od preko metra, što je jedinstvena situacija na Jadranu.
Well, the global warming has already influenced the Mediterranean, because the Mediterranean in general has the surface sea temperature has been increased for 1.2 degrees Celsius, and also another parameter which is also influencing the warming of the Mediterranean is the inflow of the Indian Ocean waters to the Suez Canal, and Indian oceans are of higher temperature and also of the higher salinity. Of course, if there is only inflow of the Indian Ocean, probably they will not arrive to Adriatic, because Adriatic is known as the one of actually the coldest part of the whole Mediterranean. But obviously, even in Adriatic, we have seen that there is an increase of the sea temperature, which means that combining the effect of the Suez Canal and inflow of the Indian species with the global warming, meaning the increase of the temperature, we can expect in the future even more species in Adriatic than now. The problem is that we cannot predict what kind of behavior of these species will be in Adriatic, because from the other parts of Mediterranean we have seen that the certain species can really damage the natural ecosystem of these areas, and fortunately we can just pray that the same case will not be also in Adriatic.